Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can delete a comment that you've just made on SoundCloud. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the SoundCloud app on your device. Now, tap on the search button. After that, search for the song in which you have made a comment. Now, tap on the three dot icon beside the song. After that, select View Comments. Here, you will see your comment. Tap on the three dot icon below your comment and then select Delete Comment option. Finally, confirm your action by tapping on the delete button again. And that's it, your comment will be removed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.